Hello, young guardians of the planet. Welcome to Module 2, Waste Warriors. In this session, we'll explore the world of waste, its impact on our environment, and how you can be a part of the solution. Let's gear up to become real-life waste warriors, ready to make a difference. Let's dive into the types of waste, like organic, recyclable, and e-waste. We'll also explore the 3 Is and go beyond with the 10 Is, like rethink, reduce, and reuse. Take on a waste audit challenge, get creative with a poster campaign to reduce plastic. What exactly is waste? It's anything we throw away because we no longer need it, like food scraps, packaging, old clothes, or broken gadgets. Waste is everywhere, and understanding it is the first step to reducing it. Let's become aware of what we are discarding each day. Improperly managed waste can cause big problems. It pollutes air, water, and land, harms animals, spreads disease, and even worsens climate change. Managing waste properly is essential for a healthy planet and healthy people. That's why we need waste warriors like you to lead the change. Where does waste come from? Mostly from our homes, schools, restaurants, shops, and factories. It's all around us. Discussion starter: what types of waste do you see at school or home? Let's start observing our surroundings so we can take better action together. Types of waste: organic waste. Organic waste includes fruit peels, vegetable scraps, garden clippings, and leftover food. It breaks down naturally and is perfect for composting. Composting turns waste into rich soil that helps plants grow. Managing organic waste properly reduces landfill load, cuts pollution, supports a healthier environment. Recyclable waste includes paper, cardboard, plastic bottles, metal cans, and glass jars. These materials can be collected, processed, and reused to make new products. Recycling saves energy, reduces pollution, and protects natural resources. Always sort and clean your recyclables. It's a simple step with a big impact. E-waste includes old phones, computers, batteries, chargers, and TVs. These items often contain harmful chemicals like lead and mercury, which can pollute soil and water. But they also have valuable metals like gold and copper. Proper recycling of e-waste helps recover resources and keeps our environment safe. Here's a mind-blowing fun fact. 1 ton of e-waste contains more gold than 1 ton of gold ore. That's right, your old electronics are full of valuable materials. So don't toss them carelessly. Recycle e-waste properly and help turn trash into treasure. Let's learn about the 3 Is: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These simple actions help us manage waste and protect the planet. Practicing the 3 Is means we use fewer resources, throw away less, and give old items a new life. Together, these habits can make a big difference. Reduce means using fewer resources and generating less waste. It's the first and most powerful R. For example, avoid products with lots of packaging, or say no to freebies you don't need. Less consumption means less waste in landfills and a cleaner planet for everyone. By recycling e-waste the right way, we can turn trash into treasure. It protects the planet and recovers valuable materials we'd otherwise lose. So next time your device breaks, don't just dump it, dispose it smartly. Be a waste warrior and lead the change. Recycle means turning old or used items into new products. It helps reduce pollution and saves energy. For example, paper, plastic, and metal can be sorted and sent to recycling centers. Always check what can be recycled in your area and separate your waste correctly. Reuse means using things more than once instead of throwing them away. It helps save energy and materials. A simple way to reuse is to carry a cloth bag or refill your water bottle. Repairing broken items is also a smart way to extend their life. Next, we have repair, fix broken things instead of replacing them. Refurbish, upgrade electronics to extend their life. Repurpose, be creative, turn jars into plant pots or t-shirts into bags. These actions help us cut down waste and protect our planet. Finally, recycle, sort and dispose waste the right way. Recover, extract energy or useful materials from waste. Rot, compost food and garden scraps into healthy soil. Task time, choose any 3 Is and explain how you'll follow them this week. Get creative. When waste isn't managed well, it pollutes our surroundings. Burning garbage releases toxic gases, causing air pollution. Dumping trash in rivers and lakes harms fish and marine animals. This is water pollution. Soil contamination from chemicals in landfills can make farming difficult and affect the food we eat. Did you know landfills release methane, a gas even more harmful than carbon dioxide? It traps heat and speeds up climate change. Mismanaged waste doesn't just look messy, it directly harms our environment. Reducing waste and managing it responsibly helps protect the planet from further damage. Let's become waste detectives. A waste audit helps us understand what kind of trash we create at home or school. It's the first step to reducing waste and protecting the environment. By examining our waste, we can make smarter choices and build sustainable habits that help our planet thrive. Pick one space to focus on: your kitchen, bedroom, classroom, or study area. This will be your audit zone. Collect all the waste from this space for 3 full days. Don't throw anything away just yet. We'll use it to learn more about the waste we produce every day. Now it's time to sort. Divide your collected waste into 4 categories: organic, recyclable, e-waste, and non-recyclable. Sorting helps us see what kinds of waste we create most often. This step is key to learning how we can reduce, reuse, and recycle more effectively in our daily lives. Use a simple chart to record the amount and source of each waste type. Did most waste come from snacks, packaging, or electronics? What changes can you make to reduce it? Your chart will show your impact and help you plan better habits for a cleaner, greener future. Let's look at how we record waste. First, we note the type, like plastic, food scraps, or e-waste. Then, we measure the quantity in pieces or weight. Lastly, we write down where it came from. This helps us understand our waste habits and find ways to reduce or reuse. Here's an example. We collected 10 plastic wrappers from snacks in our lunchbox. These are all single-use items. That means they can't be reused and often end up polluting land and water. Noticing this can help us switch to reusable containers or snacks with less plastic packaging. Next, we found 500 g of food scraps from lunch leftovers. this can be composted. And 2 batteries from a study table drawer. Since batteries contain harmful chemicals, they need special disposal. Writing notes like these helps us take proper action and make eco-friendly choices every day. Let's reflect on your waste audit. Ask yourself, which waste type was most common? Was it plastic, food scraps, or e-waste? Were you surprised by any of your findings? Reflection helps you become more aware of your daily habits and how they impact the environment around you. Think about this. How much of your waste could have been reduced, reused, or recycled? What changes will you make starting today? Small actions, like switching to reusable bottles or packing less plastic, go a long way. Your waste habits can transform into powerful eco-friendly routines. Next steps: share your audit results with your family or class. Set a simple goal, like reducing plastic use by 50% next week. Bonus tip: turn this into a school-wide challenge. See who creates the least waste and learn from each other's ideas. Change starts with you. Your mission: create a powerful poster to raise awareness about plastic pollution. Title it "Beat Plastic Pollution" or "Choose to Refuse." Make it eye-catching and informative. Use real facts like 1 million plastic bags are used every minute. Your voice and creativity can inspire real-world change and action. Show the impact of plastic pollution: marine animals harmed, polluted beaches, overflowing landfills. Suggest smart solutions: use reusable bags, carry steel straws, try compostable plates. Add color, bold text, drawings, and symbols to make your message stand out. Let your poster speak for the planet and encourage better choices. Once your poster is ready, don't keep it to yourself. Display it on your school bulletin board, share it in an online eco-club gallery, or print it to post at your local community center. The more people who see it, the bigger your impact on reducing plastic waste. Let's meet some real-life waste warriors. Ajit Shah led the world's largest beach cleanup in Mumbai. Priya Kangujam, a young climate activist, is raising her voice for better waste laws. Amit Kumar started the ocean cleanup. What about you? Can your class plan a No Plastic Day? Now it's your turn to make a difference. What change can you lead in your school or neighborhood? Could your class adopt a No Plastic Day? Maybe your street or community can start a weekly cleanup. Every small action counts. Be the leader our planet needs. You've learned that waste comes in many forms: organic, recyclable, and electronic. If not managed properly, it harms our air, water, and land. Understanding the impact of waste is the first step in becoming responsible citizens who care for the planet and protect our environment for the future. You now understand the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and the extended 10 R's that help cut waste. From saying no to plastic to composting food, small daily habits matter. You also learned how to conduct a waste audit to see what you throw away and how to reduce it effectively. Spreading awareness is powerful. Whether it's creating posters, doing cleanup drives, or sharing eco-tips, your voice can inspire others. You've seen real-life change-makers and learned how one person can lead change. Now, think about how your class or community can take one step toward a greener lifestyle. Now it's time to commit. Write your own Waste Warrior Pledge. Think of actions you will take, like reducing plastic, reusing items, and recycling responsibly. Keep your pledge simple but powerful. This personal promise is a reminder that your small steps can help create a cleaner, greener world.